9 years after the suspicious death of prominent Albuquerque attorney Mary Hahn, her family is asking the state Supreme Court to weigh in.
They're asking the court in part to determine if APD should have even investigated Hahn's death in the first place. News 13's Chris McKee explains.
Yeah, Jessica and Dean, Mary Hahn was a vocal critic of APD, having been involved in several cases that directly accused officers of wrongdoing. A new court filing claims APD had a bias against her because of those cases.
It lets them know that it is okay.
For years, Mary Hahn was one of the most well-known attorneys in Albuquerque's legal scene, representing clients in high-profile cases and many times taking on Albuquerque police over claims of officers breaking the rules.
Police came into that house without a warrant.
Hahn was just 53 years old when she was found dead of carbon monoxide poisoning inside her North Valley home. APD quickly ruled Hahn's death a suicide and didn't investigate much further. That lack of an investigation
Supreme Court of the state of New Mexico
is driving a new request for the state Supreme Court to review the case surrounding Hahn's death. In a petition filed this week, Hahn's estate argues that APD violated state constitutional protections for Hahn as a crime victim when investigating her death, claiming the department had indifference and/or bias against Ms. Hahn, who participated in high-profile cases against APD.
I challenge you to find in these reports anywhere.
Hahn's estate says APD had a conflict of interest and should have requested an outside law enforcement agency to investigate her unattended death. Family has long believed that Mary Hahn was murdered and that police botched the investigation. They're now hoping the Supreme Court will weigh in on if Hahn's rights as a crime victim were violated.
Now, the petition has only been filed with the state Supreme Court so far, but there is no guarantee whether they'll even consider it. That decision to consider it is entirely up to the justices. Jessica?
All right, thank you, Chris. In recent years, a New Mexico judge affirmed a decision changing Hahn's manner of death on her autopsy report from suicide to undetermined.